baboy ko na yun. Ano naman, sapato sa imo, alam kita.
Mais ka mo dyan na i-vlog ka mo. Karoon na.
Video ka na, video. Video.
Approaching in amphitheater, we have grade 12 Hermes with our proud parents, together with their advisor, Mrs. Christine V. Montero. Please remain standing for the singing of Philippine National Anthem to be conducted by Mrs. Reza Joy P. Palmas, Teacher 2, and remain so for the prayer to be led by Mr. Clive Stephanie Palermo, Teacher 2. As she delivers her welcome message, let us give her a round of applause.
Hello. A blessed morning to all our distinguished guests, graduates, families, and friends. It is with great honor that we...
Insabat ko sa tayo, insat ako ang speech mo dapat daw makarelate sa. And I replied, ano yung balik ko ka ng dahay? Shout out sa mga kabataan dyan. Nay, anong ulam?
Dr. Gilbert Solidum is GOD Chief, Schools Division of Iloilo. Sir, I have the honor to present to you the 285 candidates for graduation, of which 155 are males, please rise, and 130 are females. Do the same. They have satisfactorily completed the requirements in senior high school basic education curriculum of the K-12 program as prescribed to the secondary schools by the Department of Education. And they are now ready for your confirmation and approval, sir. by virtue of the authority vested in me by the school's division superintendent, and upon the recommendation of your principal, that you have satisfactorily completed the requirements of the K-12 basic education curriculum prescribed by the Department of Education, I hereby confirm and approve your graduation this 14th day of April 2025. As such, you are now entitled to all the rights and privileges appertaining thereto. Congratulations, graduates!
Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause to our graduates of batch 2025. Congratulations! Graduates, remember the knowledge, experiences, and friendship you've gained here will stay with you forever. Cherish the memories, embrace the challenges, and never stop striving for greatness. Let us now draw inspiration from a special message by our Deputy Secretary, Sani Angara. This will be read by our Chief Education Superintendent.
Catalogo Joshua, with honors. With high honors. Poonon, Talia, with honors.
Panganiban, Keziah Marie. Parcon, Mary Ho, with honors. Prias Racing, with high honors. Pulmones, Alyssa Crizel, with honors. Rapista, Eloy Saiza, with honors. Recto, Chris Ann, with honors. And Salcedo, Trixie Pay, with honors. Congratulations, graduates.
Congratulations, grade 12 Rapina. At this point, we will call on Mr. Rafi P. Aguilar to call grade 12 Hermes graduates.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is my pride and honor to present to you the graduates of 12 Hermes under the Technical, Vocational, and Livelihood track, Industrial Arts strand, and Home Economics strand, specializing in electrical installation and maintenance, bread and pastry production, and food and beverage services. Starting with Aguilar Robert Jr., P.
And a cash prize. The same award is given to Clint John G. Recto, the awardee for Award of Excellence for Technical, Vocational, and Livelihood track. Ladies and gentlemen, once again,
Ang pinaka with the highest honor. Kaya doka subong way na sa gapangamuti sa.
Class 2024-2025. Do hereby promise loyalty. To the ideals of our alma mater. For her unselfish dedication to this institution. And to our country's progress. We do solemnly pledge allegiance. For her greatness without reservation. To the Almighty. We pray for guidance. In the fulfillment of our aspirations. So help us God.
Let's have first a photo opportunity with the faculty and staff of the San Enrique National Comprehensive High School with our may request for a photo opportunity with you.
Di, tato na. Pwede naman na mahimo. Galing ay, syempre.
Grade 12 Hermes, please prepare. Thank you very much, Athena. Let's proceed to Hermes. Go. You're done.